Oh man, it's a bloody day for the investor. That's all right. There's some opportunity out there, things to buy. I got a little green too. Oil's green, Exxon's green, Glaxo's green, Verizon's killing me. This is Viacom, by the way. It's now Paramount. They're green. Yeah, Verizon's not really killing me. Hey, do me a favor. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Do it now. Do it. Do it. I appreciate it. All right, SPX, man. Let's look. Yo, that's a pretty strong fucking bar. And we're testing the low of January. Um, I say next stop for 4,115. Yeah, baby. I think we got another 100-point move down. Um, I mean, we have 4 days in a row that we're down. That's pretty aggressive. The interesting thing here is, I mean, this is a strong bar. It's a strong, ugly bar. So we might pop through it tomorrow and then retrace up. But what's interesting is you see this low, you see the divergence here. Um, so we'll see, man. If we can get a little rebound, then that's a good divergence. The thing is that the divergent trade, the conservative trade, doesn't happen until 570, 58. Let me start again. 45.87. So if it can pop off of that and break here, then that's the entry, and there should be a good move up. This is ugly, 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 ugly. And yeah, Putin's just sticking it to Biden, sticking it to Biden. Very interesting, right? Very interesting. So we know Biden has his hands in the pockets of Ukraine, and we know Trump and Biden have a little buddy buddy thing going on, and yeah, Trump's done business in Russia and things of that nature. So here it's like just very interesting that they're hitting Biden where he lives monetarily. Um, anyway, these are my conspiracy theories. I mean, it's not a fully formed theory yet. I'll get back to you on it. So anyway, we're looking at this. This is a pretty strong bar, man. A lot of people are going to want to get involved with that bar tomorrow and push this market down further. Pretty frightening. The saving grace is for me that it's not even extreme. Oh yeah, it is. It just touched into extremely oversold for the day today. So I mean, usually when I see that, we get a rebound. Um, so, I mean, it can keep going. This is just yet, a good indication for me to start looking around for other signs that it's going to bounce back. I mean, obviously, the close did not give me that sign. The histogram is not giving me that sign. The, I mean, the if the histogram turns around tomorrow and we start turning this upward, then we could look for perhaps that trend reversal. But I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. The 30-minute, everything just turned around. I mean, everything's bearish, 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 bearish. So that's it. That's all we can bank on. That there's a little oversold. People start accumulating and push up. I mean, I don't think Putin's going to come out and be like, forget it, guys, and have everybody turn around. So this is what we're dealing with. Interest rates are inching up, inching up. But not too impressively. It actually looks like it's going to drop. Um, and I hear that there's a lot of money coming out of bonds and mutual funds and things like that because of the interest rate hikes. So if money comes out, that's going to force this up. Although that's usually a safe haven where they go. This is very confusing times, man. It's hard to kind of figure. Um, let's just take a quick look at the futures, see what the futures look like. Yeah, the futures are looking ugly too, man. Yep, very bearish close. Looks like it's going to be bearish tomorrow. Oh, the bleeding. Oh, the horror. Oh, okay. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. because I got fans out there. Bitcoin, that's where you pick up the trolls. All right, so the 30-minute, I mean, if you're trading the futures, you could take that hammer break. That's a good break to the upside. 60 minutes got the same thing, got that hammer. The daily looks kind of indecisive. It's not really telling me anything. So no long-term setups, but a short-term setup. If you're trading futures into the evening or what have you, you could take a look at that. And let's, last but not least, take another check-see on AMCC. Oh, that baby's just going to grind its way down. I mean, I don't even have a target for you. You know what? Look for the low at 1335. That's where it looks like it's pushing. But again, you could see it doesn't have the momentum. It looks like everything's losing its momentum. I mean, we're grinding down, but it looks like it's all losing its momentum. I'm even looking over at the Dow, and the Dow doesn't look like, oh, that's only 5 minutes. That's why. Let's just take a look at the Dow. You can't see this, so just bear with me. The momentum, no divergence on the Dow. And we're already breaking January's low on the Dow. The low in January was 33,150. We're at 33,143. Yeah, things are getting ugly. I think I'm seeing 41.15 on the S&P at this point. Yo, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I told you I didn't like that rally about a week back. I didn't like the pattern. Should have been more aggressive to the downside, though. Oh, this is it. Okay, anyway, that's it. It's a wrap. That's all I've got to look at. We have oil tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday. It's turning into a long week. We have oil tomorrow. And next Friday is non-farm payroll. So, I mean, I think everybody's going to be looking at that. We need a few good indicators out there for inflation. We need to demonstrate that we've hit the peak and things are going to turn around. I mean, obviously, oil is going to be an issue. And let's see what this empty suit president does for us. So anyway, remember, watch your downside. Be calm and cool. I think I gave Psycho Broker the axe because he's just skitzing out. And I can't focus on that shit when I'm working. Don't be that guy. Calm, cool, at peace when you're trading. Don't trade more than you could afford to lose. Once you start feeling uncomfortable with your losses, you know you're trading too much. So taper it. Anyway, that's that for that. I'm trying to think of what else. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. I appreciate everybody. I'll catch you guys in the morning.